And after the rig election, they break the heart of a man who won election. They break his heart. The man cry. And you people think that everything will be well in Nigeria, that Tinubu will do well. He cannot do well. And no amount of your prayer can stop it. No amount of your prayer can change Nigeria economic. No amount of your fasting, no amount of your speaking in tongue, no amount of the quotation where you quote can change the economic of Nigeria. Nigeria is going down because we ministers of God, we pastors, evangelists, we are seeing the truth and we are covering it. Disgrace to Christianity. Disgrace to the body of Christ. You are sending somebody who is not winning election congratulation message. I want to know the Lord that you are serving. It's better for you to keep quiet, not talk, than for you to be calling evil good. Do you think that God no see what happened in Nigeria? Do you think that God is happy in Nigeria? Do you think that God is happy in Nigeria? Nigeria is a country where our leaders, their hands full of blood. They are the ones sponsoring this program of enhancement that has threatened people in Nigeria. Nigerian politicians. They are the one. And the Nigerian Christian leaders are not talking. PFF chairman, all these top ministers of God, most of them are not talking. They just keep quiet. Now our generals, our daddies in the Lord, they are the one who's supposed to like message. They're supposed to be speaking up, telling the world, telling the United Nations what we are passing through in Nigeria, because our leaders are covering all those things. They don't want the world to know what is happening in Nigeria. Every month they are doing mass burial. 90% or 99% of those people they fly in as slaughter is Christians, and they will just cover everything. PFL chairman, all these Christian leaders who are supposed to talk, we keep quiet. Do you think that God is happy in Nigeria? Corrupt nation. In election, the league election, and some pastors sending Tinubu congratulation message. You are sending who? Do you think that God is a human being? Because we pastors, we Nigerian Christians, we go see the truth and we go cover it. Nigerian pastors, most of you people are a disgrace to Christianity. Most of you people are a disgrace to Christianity. Most especially all those people that are sending Tinubu congratulation message when they said that Tinubu won the election, because election was rigged. And everybody know that this election was rigged, that Tinubu is not the one that won this election. And all of you send him congratulation message because of one thing or the other you people will get from him. Now, when I don't see where Nigeria there now, somebody where everybody know, both unbelievers, both everybody world know that this man is not the one that won the election, that P2B is the one that won, that this man rigged the election. And we Christians who are supposed to condemn how they vote in this election, now we are supposed to condemn it as what we claim, that we are serving a living God, that we are serving a holy God, that we are worshiping a holy God. Now we are supposed to condemn it. But unfortunately, our general overseer, our fathers in the Lord, sending congratulation message to somebody that leak election. Is it not a disgrace to Christianity? For example, if we are in the time of Abraham, or in the time of Jeremiah, Moses, Elijah, and maybe during that time, say God, now God they choose king. But maybe let me put it in this way: then do election, something like that. After they do the election, the Tinubu come league election, and everybody know that a league election. And after everything, Elijah, the prophet, the holy prophet, will come. Send congratulation message to him, where everybody in the Israel know that this man is not the one that won the election. What are we practicing? Elijah cannot do that. Rather, Elijah will condemn Tinubu, or God, you're not the one that won this election. Stop your evil. That is the kind of prophet, ministers of God that God need in this generation. What are we preaching? What are we telling others? What are we telling others? We are seeing the truth in Nigeria and we are covering it up. Most especially ministers of God. Where are those people that are telling Igbos to go to Anambra and go and vote for P2B? Where are they now? Tinubu, where are the Asare Dokubo? Asare Dokubo, where are you? He said that if Tinubu no do well in Nigeria, make we hold you responsible. Oh yeah, you don't reach now. Asari Okoba, do you have anything to say? Where are those people that is fighting to be innocent man? No innocent man. Fighting him because of tribalism, because of P2B is an Igbo man. And you people are fighting him that he will not rule Nigeria. Because Igbos are born to serve in Nigeria. Where are those Hausa people that say that now them be born to rule, now then go to rule Nigeria? Where are those people that is fighting Igbo in the north because they want to vote for P2B? Where are they now? Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph. Shalom. Watch my next video.